Do you want to know how you can remove your card details from Amazon Prime? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove your card details from Amazon Prime quite easily. So go ahead and open any type of browser and go to primevideo.com and make sure that you have logged into your account. The next step is to hover around your profile, which is over here, and click on account and settings, and go ahead and click on manage wallet. You can see some of your card details over here, so go ahead and select one of these, and you can see remove option over here. If you click on remove, your card details will be removed quite easily. So you can see that I'm going to teach it to you again. So go ahead and open Prime Video, log into your account, hover around your profile and go to account and settings, and click on manage wallet, which is on the right hand side of your screen. After you click it, you can see some of your card details. If you tap on it, you can see your details as well, and go ahead and click remove. And if you click remove or edit, you can see that you can edit your card details as well, and you can also remove it by simply clicking on remove. So guys, this is how you remove your card details from Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.